What is geology really? Just rocks? Do geologists spend their lives hammering stones in the middle of nowhere? And why should anyone living in the modern world of Wi-Fi, AI, and electric cars care about dirt and fossils? Here's the truth. Every skyscraper, every phone, every road, every drop of fuel exists because of geology. It's the science that quietly runs the world beneath our feet, shaping everything we depend on. Today, let's dig deep into how geology built the modern world and why it might shape our future too. Geology is the study of Earth, its materials, its structure, and the processes that shape it. Geologists explore how mountains rise, how volcanoes erupt, how oceans form, and how continents drift apart. But they don't just study rocks for fun. Every rock tells a story about ancient oceans, dying volcanoes, and billions of years of Earth's evolution. It's like reading the planet's diary, written in stone. Through those rocky pages, humans discovered where to find oil, coal, water, gold, and even the rare minerals that power your phone and your car. So yes, geology isn't just about old fossils. It's about the resources that make our world work. But how did we even start understanding the Earth? It all began with a farmer. In the late 1700s, a Scottish farmer named James Hutton noticed something strange on the cliffs near his land. Layers of rocks were stacked at odd angles, like pages of a book that had been rewritten over millions of years. Hutton realized something no one had dared to think before. The Earth wasn't a few thousand years old. It was ancient beyond imagination. He introduced the idea of deep time, the concept that Earth changes slowly, constantly, and forever. It was one of humanity's first glimpses into the true age and power of our planet. From that discovery, modern geology was born. Fast forward a few decades, and another unlikely hero appears. William Smith, a canal engineer. While digging through mud and stone across England, he noticed a pattern. Fossils always appeared in the same order no matter where he went. That meant each layer of rock had a unique story and a unique time in Earth's history. In 1815, William Smith drew the world's first geological map, a hand-colored guide showing what lies beneath the ground. That map helped locate coal, iron, and limestone, fueling the Industrial Revolution. In short, his curiosity powered the machines that built the modern age. Then came the birth of the oil era. In 1859, a man named Edwin Drake set out to do something everyone thought was ridiculous: drill a hole in the ground to find oil. At the time, people believed oil just seeped out randomly. Drake used geological science, the layers, the pressure, the rock formations, and he struck oil in Pennsylvania. That single discovery changed human history. From cars to plastics to electricity and medicine, oil powered the 20th century. Geology made it possible. Of course, it also gave us pollution, plastic waste, and climate change, but that's another story. Progress always leaves footprints. A few decades later, another scientist changed everything we knew about our planet's shape. In 1912, Alfred Wegener proposed that continents drift. He claimed that millions of years ago, all land on Earth was joined as one giant supercontinent, Pangaea. At first, people laughed. They said continents were fixed forever. But Wegener was right. Today we know the Earth's crust floats on moving plates. These plates crash, slide, and separate, creating mountains, earthquakes, volcanoes, and islands. Thanks to that discovery, we can now predict earthquakes, design safer buildings, and understand how our planet evolves. Geology doesn't just explain the past, it protects our future. And now, geology has gone beyond Earth. Scientists study the Moon, Mars, and even asteroids. Planetary geology helps us find water, minerals, and maybe even a future home for humanity. Satellites scan volcanoes, track landslides, and monitor climate change from space. The same science that once studied stones in Scotland now explores entire worlds in our solar system. But what about you? How does geology affect your daily life? The phone you're holding, the lithium in its battery, the copper in its circuits, the glass on its screen all come from Earth's crust. Your house, built with cement, limestone, and sand, is a geological masterpiece. Your electricity, generated by coal, gas, uranium, or hydroelectric energy, all guided by geological research. Even your toothpaste and skincare products rely on minerals discovered by geologists. Geology powers the economy, the internet, and even your morning routine. You're surrounded by it, every single second. So, what have we learned? Geology isn't boring. It's not just rocks. It's the science that reveals where we came from, how our world works, and where we might go next. From James Hutton's ancient cliffs to Mars rover searching for water, geology connects everything: Earth's past, present, and future. It's the reason civilizations rise, why cities exist where they do, and why our planet is still alive and moving beneath our feet. So the next time someone says geology is dull, tell them this: without geology, we wouldn't have fuel, buildings, technology, or even smartphones. It's the invisible hand shaping our world. It's the science that literally keeps us grounded. If you enjoyed this story, leave a like, share it with your rock-solid friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that quietly runs our world. Because sometimes, the biggest stories are the ones right beneath your feet.